If you want to see how I did my first wash and go on camera using Aunt Jackie's products, then keep watching.
What should you tell when you are buying you? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
What's up KK gang, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a wash and go using Aunt Jackie's hair products. This is my first time doing a wash and go on camera. All the other wash and goes were like epic fails. I just wanted to see how these products work on my hair. So I already washed my hair and deep conditioned my hair, so I have no products in my hair right now because in this video I just want to use the Aunt Jackie's products to see how it works on my hair. So the products that I'll be using in this video is the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. This is the first product I'll be using on my hair. And then I have here Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. So this is what I'll be using after the detangler. Last but not least is the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. So I just wanted to try another gel. I usually use the Eco Styler Castor and Flaxseed Gel, and I think it's because I'm using it with other products, not the same line products as the Eco Styler Gel, and I keep getting flakes every time I try a wash and go. I think I tried 2 times. Flakes everywhere. I just wanted to try like the same line products, all Aunt Jackie's products, and see how it works for my hair. I was trying to find the oils in Aunt Jackie's products, but none of the Target in my area has it. I would have to order it online and then it would take a while to come to me, so I just got like a little cheap oil. I don't think the oil is gonna make a difference with the products that I'm using. I got the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this oil. Is cheap, so this is just the oil that I'll be using with the 3 products that I just showed you guys. So let's get right into the video. To make it easier, I'll be doing my hair in sections. Starting off with the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. Oh yeah, that was unexpected. I was expecting the product to be thick, but it was runny. It still does the job though. It's very good. Next, I'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream.
Ooh, butter! Ooh. So freaking good, bro. I just want to cry. That's how good it smells. Ooh. Ooh, this makes my hair feel...
Ooh, this cream right here. Ooh. You know that feeling your body gets when you're really thirsty and you just drink a glass of water? That's how this buttercream makes my hair feel. Oh. And for my oil, I'll be using Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This oil is not thick, it's lightweight, it locks in the moisture, and it smells really good. I'll be adding a little more water to the hair, and also I'll be using my Denman brush to help define my curls. And for the gel, I'll be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. I'll be doing the finger coiling method to help define my curls, to get those curls popping, you know. So this is my curls at the back, the tight curls that I've been telling you guys about. This is before I use my finger to form the curls. This is how my natural curls are. In the back, it's more tight than the curls in the front. So yeah, texture shot. My back is killing me. I feel like this is another fail. I love how the products feel on my hair, but I feel like this is going to be another fail. And I feel like I'm using too much products. I don't know. Anyways, I didn't give up. I still kept going. It might be a fail and it might not be a fail, but I'm just gonna let it dry and then I'll be back. Okay, so it's the next day. I just got home from work. Yesterday it took a while to dry. Like my hair, it always takes a while to dry, so I just want to show you guys the result. Oh my god, the shrinkage is real. Look at that. It's real, guys. Like Aunt Jackie's products, I am in love. Usually when I try to do a wash and go, the next day you'll see like flakes. No flakes, no flaking, nothing. I love it. And it's not, my hair is not crunchy, it's soft and it's still moisturized. Like the only thing is the shrinkage is real, but I still like it. It's not a fail after all. So if you guys made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. I love you guys so much and stay tuned for the next upload. Bye.